Hey, how you doing? Ian from 3way.Social here. I've got some exciting updates. I wanted to record a video just to show you how amazing these changes are. I think revolutionary. I'm really excited about the updates we've added, particularly around campaigns. But before we jump into that, something that I know a lot of you will be interested in is the ability to add multiple domains in one go. I know obviously a lot of you agencies and power users out there are adding, significant number of domains. And so rather than just our usual route of being able to add a single domain, you'll now see when you choose add domain, there's the option to add multiple domains. And there's two ways to do this. You can simply just put in the domains line by line and then confirm the details. Or I think even better is you download our spreadsheet template and put in all the details, the categories, your guidelines, everything you need, put them in there, and then bam, upload it in one foul swoop. Makes life so much easier, and I'm sure going to be beneficial for all of us to be able to get all of our domains on the platform and start even better link sharing. Even more exciting than adding multiple domains, wow, is that even possible? Is our new campaigns feature. Yes, true. Our campaigns feature is way more exciting than adding a single or multiple domains. With the campaign feature, we've now got the AI suggestions campaigns on steroids. Essentially what that means is that we can create any number of campaigns for any number of URLs or articles on our sites with distinct separate keywords defined for each one of those campaigns, and the AI will continually look for new contextual article suggestions that you can create link requests to or from, or even find domains that are contextually relevant and that you might want to create a guest post with. So, but not only can we get AI doing the heavy lifting on the contextual suggestions, but also on running those on a regular. So whenever new domains are added to the platform or new content is added to the domains already there, our AI is going to surface those and they're going to appear in your campaigns. The campaigns will continue to be a weekly update in terms of the email summary of the action, but also you can come to your campaign panel now from any domain and see the number of new suggestions that have been added since the last time we've ran. In addition to that, you can also modify the details of each campaign. So if I wanted to switch this to an in-depth search to find even more, irrespective of campaign or rating, rather than matching our own domain profile, I can do that, change the sort of dynamics of what I'm looking for, obviously you can resave that and either replace the existing results or keep them and add more to it. So it's really flexible. And of course, the same is true for creating a new campaign as well. We can just do that within our campaign settings. And again, as we did before with our AI suggestion campaigns, we can put in a URL and a name. We can use AI. So let's just put in a URL here, and we'll get AI to look at that URL, understand what it's about, and suggest a bunch of keywords. And as you can see, we've got a whole host of keywords there that we can use that are relative to our campaign. We can give it a name, so we'll be able to find it easier later on. And of course, then we can set what is the purpose of this campaign. Are we looking to find partners that are open to giving a link to our domain? Yes, that's what we're looking for. Are we looking for partners who are willing to allow us to publish on their domain? Yes, I'm interested in this campaign. And am I open to finding partners who want to receive a link from me? That's not the goal campaigns for me on this one. So I'm going to untick that. And also finally, do I want to exclude domains with I've got existing deals with? In this case, I do want to do that because I'm just looking for new deals, new domains that I haven't already got a backlink from. So I'm going to set my campaign and bam, off I go. It's simple as that. And now that will save and continue to run every week, and every time new content arrives, I'm going to get notified about that. I'm going to get notified about that either in the app here or, like I say, weekly in an email. So this is really a great way of discovering new contextual places to get backlinks from. On top of that, we've also got obviously our suggestions, which is all of the suggestions from all of our campaigns. We can drill down and just look at suggestions by campaign by choosing the details here. As we saw before, they would appear in this section there. Equally, we've got our domain search now, which is what we had before when we had the buy links, give links, and guest posts. We've collapsed all of that together into domain search, which means that now we can choose to filter. Again, we can filter by domain rank, and monthly traffic, and the linking options, whether we're looking to buy or sell or get a guest post, and as well as filtering by category, so we can discover domains. So for example, if I was looking for maybe a SaaS-based linked, I could just search the domains and find any domains that either mention that in their description or in their domain. So rather than contextual, we can also discover domains, or discover link options by domain level as well. Everything else remains the same in terms of how the deals and the requests work. We've also tidied up a little bit the domain settings, as you can see here. This is a little cog here that will take you into your settings, where you can set your guidelines, for example, and set kind of your own visibility within the platform in terms of whether you're discoverable from the AI, from being able to sell or buy links from, as well as whether you're open for publishing guest posts. As usual, these remain the same, just like I say, tidied up the interface a little bit there. I hope you'll agree that it is an important update in terms of the capabilities of the platform. Obviously, we've also recently introduced the spam score as well. And so again, not only making the platform safer, better equitable backlinking, making sure that we're only paying for top quality. Any questions, we're here at support to answer them for you. I hope you enjoy this to better backlinking. Take care. Cheers. Bye.